Am I audible? Everybody? Sanchari, kindly turn your cameras on. Camera on. Here, this batch, you have given general navigation grant test, right? Shubham scored 100 out of 100. Venigal 99. Shantanam 94. Sanchan Kumar 92. Sanchari 96. Shivam 98. Deepika 91. Gaurav 93. Rohit 96. Rishi 90. Shashank 98. Hemant 92, Annie 94, many other people in 70s and 80s. Almost everybody passed except true people. How many of you have copied in the exam? How many of you know the answer question paper already? Anybody? Be very open. I don't mind. Anybody knows the question paper already? Raise your hands. It's okay. It is okay. Have you seen the question paper already? Yes or no? Be loud.
No,
Unmute and talk.
no,
Very good. See, back then there was an airline entrance. उसका क्वेश्चन पेपर was leaked out. ठीक है. I was a bit disappointed because see, I don't do such things. Even if I had it, I would not give to my students. But उस एग्जाम का रिजल्ट आने के बाद many of my students called me, सर एग्जाम का कट ऑफ था 96, वी गॉट सेलेक्टेड. अरे यार क्वेश्चन पेपर लीक हुआ था. फिर भी सर इट डजंट मैटर, देयर वाज नॉट इवन अ सिंगल क्वेश्चन which we did not know in the exam. The level of preparation this batch is doing, your batch is doing, it is really good enough for your airline entrance examination. I'm pretty damn sure nobody can come close to you. Like I said, you will be able to solve any question from any question bank in this world by the time you end navigation classes, right? Do you see that is happening? Right? So, general navigation, I took it very slow, and I believe you are in the right direction. Okay? And nowadays, I'm seeing this on the social media. People are crying, there are no jobs, there are no vacancies. Okay? Don't do that. Instead, do this. As soon as you come out with a CPL, you know you're worthy, right? If there are any airline exams, airline entrances coming out, go for it. Take a go for airlines. If you're willing to work for airlines, that's a different story. If not, let's say I my son wants to become a pilot. Okay, I'll do the same thing. As soon as he comes out with a CPL, I'll ask him to go for and look if there are any job vacancies. If there are no job vacancies, what will I do? Do you think I'll recommend or I'll ask one of my friends, यार मेरा बच्चा है उसको जॉब दे दो? No, my son has to prove that he can fly very well, and then let the flying school give him a instructor job. Yes or no? Then only he will become a good instructor. Then only he will enjoy his life. If not a recommended job, he will other his CFI will say, "Yeah, you are not good. You are not teaching that," and he will also be disappointed with himself. Yes or no? Right? So look for instructor jobs if you can't find an airline job. यार वो भी नहीं है, फिर क्या करेंगे? I'll ask him to clean the aircrafts, stay in touch with the aircrafts, be in a flying school, right? Make friends with maintenance team, learn about aircrafts. Here, if you are sincere enough in a flying school, definitely, they'll give a chance to fly as an instructor, make you do the pattern, etc., etc. See, be a man, right? All boys sitting in the class, be a man. Don't cry on social media that there are no vacancies. Keep working at it. And girls, this is not related to strength. It is like you are not in a hand to hand combat with a man to kind of, get over it. Anybody can fly the aircraft. Don't use that, sir. We are girls. No. Aircraft doesn't know who is sitting behind the controls is a girl or a boy. It just flies. Yes or no? Right? So I'm really proud that you did very well. You're doing very well. Okay. And I wish you a very good luck. I want this match to continue as it is. Okay.